Video natin today, I'm gonna be talking about ano bang mga rate ng mga social media managers natin. So, ito yun guys. So, social media manager rates, kung hourly, usually from $3 to $10 per hour, pero ang standard dito guys is $5 per hour. So, since bago ka pa, siguro you can expect to have a $3 per hour na rate. Yung alam niyo na yung mga trabaho, liking comments, mag-like ka ng mga comments, mag-send ka ng mga messages, mag-reply ka, mag-share, you can ask people to invite to like your page, parang ganun, and then mag-post ka sa lahat ng mga social media accounts nila. So, yan ang gawin mo. Siguro mga 10 hours, siguro mga nasa mga 5 to 10 hours a day. I mean, 5 to 8 hours a day yung work mo as social media manager. Pero kung I would suggest na kung ang work mo sa isang social media, sa isang brand is nasa mga 4 hours a day lang, I would recommend na to apply for another job kasi nga we're not looking for only 4 hours a day na job. So we need at least 8 hours a day job para makasustain tayo ng mga needs natin if you want to become a full-time freelancer. But i-discuss yan sa mga later videos natin. Today, I'm just gonna be talking about yung hourly rate mo. So pwede kang magkaroon ng $3 to $10 per hour. Depende sa budget ng client, depende sa kung gaano kalaki yung brand natin. So standard natin dyan guys is $5 an hour. But you can also rate your client in a fixed price level. Let's say for example, $100 to $300 per month. Pwede mo siyang sabihin ng client mo na I can work, maybe you can pay me at least $100 to $300 a month. Inclusions natin yan is 30 days postings, one post a day, and ang trabaho mo is mag-like, invite people to like your page, mag-respond ka sa mga comment, and you can also monitor the shares and magkaroon ka din ng mga reporting natin. Okay? So yun ang mga rates natin guys. So sa fixed price you can do this one, and yeah, like I said, sa video to is very short lang. So if you have any questions regarding this topic, please feel free to leave a comment sa comment section below para masagot din natin. Okay? So thank you guys for watching this. And see you sa next video natin. Today, sa next video natin, ituro ko kung paano ka ba gagawa ng isang social media manager na portfolio. So, see you sa next video natin guys.